welcome to Wasn't to English Center Mini Talk Show. I'm Teacher Joy and our speaker for today is Leia. Hello Leia.
Hello, Joy.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good today. What class are you in?
I'm in class 5.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What's your nationality?
I'm Vietnamese.
Leia, when's your birthday?
My birthday is in January.
Okay. What will you have or what will you do for your birthday?
We dance and watch TV.
Okay. What will you have at the birthday party?
I have soda, chickens, and cake.
Okay, you will have soda, cake, and chicken. Wow, that's great. Next, what will you do after the birthday party?
We play board games and go around the day.
Okay, you will play board games and you will go around the bay or lake. Okay, so next, Leia, are you ready to present your topic today?
Yes.
Okay, so everyone, Leia's here will talk about her family time last Sunday and her family's activities at it.
Last Sunday, my family went to the beach in the cave. I swam in the sea and my family is seafood. The people in there were so friendly and the food is yum and the drink very delicious. I liked my journey because it was wonderful.
Okay, it was wonderful. Next, what about your activities at test?
At test, I will make bunching and my family and my mother make bunching and my father with my sister go to the shopping. My family will decorate my house.
Alright, so that's it, Leia. So again, Leia, before we'll end our conversation tonight, let's play a short game. I'll do the action about what's the matter with me and then tell me your advice or what should I do, okay? Okay, Leia, I have a headache. What should I do?
You should have a rest.
Okay, Leia, I have a sore throat. What should I do?
You should drink warm water.
Okay, Leia, I have a toothache. What should I do?
You should go to the dentist.
Leia, I have a fever. What should I do?
You should take some medicine.
Leia, I have a stomach ache. What should I do?
You should take some medicine and go to the doctor.
Alright, thank you so much, Leia, for your advice. And everyone, to formally close our show today, I'll ask first 2 questions for Leia. Leia, what do you do to stay healthy?
I eat vegetable
Alright, so how often do you eat vegetable?
every day.
Okay, that's great, Leia. Thank you so much. And again, everyone, thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Joy, and this is
Leia